Hello guys, who is ready to make some money? Last week, during all the drama regarding GameStop and AMC and Wall Street bets, a new EV battery maker announced merger via SPAC merger. And because of all that drama, it went largely unnoticed and it's still sitting at a very attractive price. But before we dive in, if you enjoy watching my videos, please show me some love, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, like the video. And the company that we are talking about is FREYR, and they are going to merge with ALUS spec. They have a very big PIPE investment. They received 600 million from PIPE investors and another 250 million from the SPAC merger. So they will have in total 849 million available to them after the merger. Because they received such big PIPE investment means that a lot of their strategic partners are very excited about them and are ready to put the money behind their mouth. So they are aiming to have 43 gigawatts of production capability by 2025, but they're going to have production available even before that. They will have production available as soon as this year. At the end of this year, they will have 2 gigawatts in so-called fast-track production capabilities, and another such production lane will be established next year. So 2 gigawatts this year and another 2 gigawatts next year, and then in 2023 their first gigafactory will come online with 32 gigawatts of production capability. That is a lot, comparing them to some of their competitors like QuantomScape or Microvast. It's a really big production capability, and it also shows in the scale of their customers that also their customers are big, and they think that they will succeed in meeting those goals and that they will be able to provide them with their product. They have an agreement with Siemens to supply them with batteries. Siemens is also a PIPE investor. They put a lot of money into them, and in exchange FREYR will produce for them cheaper batteries. Another notable customer is Maersk. Shipping company Maersk. They are a global company that mostly is in shipping. They ship containers all over the world, and FREYR is also eyeing to put their batteries in ships. And that is not the only thing. They are also aiming to provide batteries for industrial or commercial projects. So they have a large scope of products available to their customers. So EV, meaning that electric vehicles are not their only focus. Now, FREYR is an European company, and European Union is currently very heavily dependent on China. 80% of all the batteries that are produced at the moment in the world come from Asia, and European Union is set to stop this they want to roll their own production so that EU will not be dependent on Asia anymore. And for this, they are preparing a strategic plan that will involve $1 trillion in strategic investment over the next few years. Now that is a lot of money, and FREYR is a Scandinavian company, and Scandinavians are already at the top of the EU in clean energy adoption. That meaning that they are extremely well positioned to capture the market. If you look in the Scandinavia, they are the most Teslas driven in whole of Europe. So, but that is not the only thing that is going for them. They want to be the lowest carbon footprint producer of batteries in the world, so that their batteries will be the cleanest possible. And they are also aiming to be low-cost producer, meaning lower cost, more sales, simple as that. Now, if you look at their financials, we will see that they are already projecting revenue in the year of 2022. Like we said, they will have production available at the end of 2021. And we can see that by the year of 2024, they will already have more than $1.3 billion in revenue and gross margins of over 30%. That is a lot, given that they are only going to start production at the end of this year. Now, if we look at valuation compared to their peers, we will see that they are vastly undervalued at the moment, looking at forward projected revenues. Based on their peers, they can still increase in price 2 to 6 times, because they are so low valued. We can expect a similar run like Microvast, Romeo. I won't say QuantomScape because they went to $130, but I think that was only because of hype that it is being backed by Bill Gates. Now, FREYR is not backed by Bill Gates, so I'm happy if it goes to $30 or $40. And if we see at the stock price, we see that on Friday it closed around $14, but already in the aftermarket somebody started to load the boat and they increased the price of the shares from $14 to $15, about 6.2%. So that means that they are already being noticed by some players, but it's still at a very good entry price. I managed to get in a little over $14, so I'm already 3-4% in the green, but I'm expecting to see $30 in the very near term. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave me down a comment. What do you think about this company? And subscribe to my channel. Bye.